Welcome back! Today we're exploring the 22nd Arabic letter. If you haven't watched the previous letters, be sure to check them out first. I highly recommend going back and watching them first. This series follows the order of the Arabic alphabet, and each letter builds on what we've learned before. Today we're moving on to the next letter, KAAF. We'll look at how it sounds, how to pronounce it correctly, and go over a few easy examples to help you remember it. Let's get started.
كتاب كتاب
Book,
كتاب كتاب كلب كلب
dog,
كلب كلب كرة كرة
ball,
كرة كرة كوكب كوكب
planet,
كوكب كوكب كوب كوب
cup.
كوب كوب
Now, pause the video for a moment, say the words out loud, try repeating them a few times to get comfortable with the pronunciation.
كتاب كتاب كلب كلب كرة كرة كوكب كوكب كوب كوب
As you can see, all of these words start with the letter KAAF. Look closely at the first letter in each word. It's the same. Step by step, you're getting closer to reading Arabic confidently. Keep going. You're learning fast. Just stay consistent and you'll be amazed at how far you can go. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, so you'll know whenever a new video is uploaded. See you in the next video.